guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make a fun shake. We're going to make white chocolate mint with a skinny shot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my glass and the Prolessa Duo. This is your skinny shot, and I've got 1 scoop of Prolessa Duo in the glass that I'm going to use. And this stuff is great, you guys. It literally targets belly fat and it totally knocks out hunger. So what I'm gonna do to mix this, instead of mixing this all the way into my shake, I'm gonna put it in the bottom and let it blend up. So I have the serving in there. I'm gonna put just enough water in here to dissolve it a little bit, and then I'll set that aside while we make the white chocolate mint shake. So let's stir this up a little. Now we're going to set this aside, and here I have my 12 ice cubes. And remember to check out the video to get on the videos on how to get the perfect texture for your shake. For this shake, I'm going to start with 12 ice cubes, and then I'm going to fill the water to the 12-ounce mark. Always put your ice in first because the water will displace the ice, and I want the measurement to go to the 12-ounce mark. Now what we're going to use is our mint chocolate chip Formula 1. We're going to use the vanilla protein drink mix, which is the base for your shake. And we're going to use some white chocolate sugar-free pudding mix. Start with our 2 scoops of Formula 1. And because I want it to be extra creamy, normally my shakes have 1 scoop of the protein drink mix. Remember, hit the link down in the description to find out what your personal protein number is, so you know how many scoops of protein drink mix to use, or ask your coach. If you don't have your coach, I can definitely help you with that. But the vanilla protein drink mix is very creamy, and it makes the shake nice and smooth. So regardless of my protein number today, I'm going to use 2 scoops to make this nice and creamy. And more protein is never a problem. Not enough protein is a problem. And then I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the white chocolate pudding. And again, this is a sugar-free white chocolate pudding. And now we're going to blend this up. Okay, this is all blended up. All right, now we're gonna pour it in over our skinny shot. And a few sprinkles of graham cracker on top, just for fun. There you go.